How was your first plane ride? Like, you know, now that you're how do you feel about your first plane ride?
I hated it. I'll be honest, that was so long.
Yeah.
That was such a long like plane ride.
Yeah.
Especially.
Don't talk. Yeah. You can talk about the plane ride. Just don't talk about like timings and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Because we got some detectives in here who are gonna.
Not only that, the babies. The babies in the plane.
The baby.
The baby?
The real the baby. They just kept crying the entire time. It would wake me up.
That sounds horrible.
The best one time, I was like next to the aisle, and one child just walked into me and it woke me up. I was so angry. You know, you can't be angry. Like, it's a little child, but like, he woke me up.
No, I hate children. I can't. I feel like I want to scream at them back when they scream. I just can't. Like on a plane or train or. There was loud people on the train too. When I was coming. And like, oh my god, I can't deal with it because it's like you have to sit there and expect to deal with this person's shit.
Especially when they were just like yelling random stuff like, like that.
Yeah.
And the parents just didn't do anything.
How do you feel about airplane food?
Aside from that, I think I won the airplane food gotcha.
I like airplane food. It's nice.
No, some airplane food is
depends
bad.
on what it is.
Sometimes it's bad, Mysta.
I had like it was like mashed potatoes with.
Like, it was beef stroganoff. It was like mashed potatoes and like a beef curry
beef
sort of. But mine was better. I had like a chicken curry. It was quite good.
That doesn't sound good.
One thing with Luca, obviously, we're not going to go into details, but you can talk about it also on your stream, unless you want to give us a little taste on FoxyBakas.
Yeah, what is it?
Everything that could have gone wrong with, like, it was your first time flying, like, you know, it's kind of far to go from Australia to Paris.
Oh, yeah.
Everything that could have went wrong, like, he got stopped. He got random stopped by security. He got just stopped. And I get it, right? Like, you're a mean and evil mafia boss. You're on all the lists.
They checked my bag.
Yup.
Like,
they threw out some stuff in your bag.
What?
Oh, yeah. No, yeah, because
really?
I had shampoo and conditioner, and it was too big.
Oh my god.
It was too big.
How do you think Boss gets his hair so nice? You know. So I feel like you got everything.
They fog mud me.
Oh my god.
You got like there was even times sometimes when I would go through like a fast lane and they would just let me like, oh ma'am, you can go ahead. And then Luca would get stopped and his bag would get researched.
I don't know.
It's the tattoos, I think. It's the tattoos that just, you look very mean and evil. You look very mean. I'm evil.
Is that all good?
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's all good. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, chat. I was just checking something.
I'm pretty nice.
Yeah,
I'm
but you
pretty
guys, I feel like
OG, hug you.